Hello FMG, today we are going to see dermatology one-liners. Butterfly rash is seen in SLE. Ichthyosis is associated with AIDS, hypothyroidism, Hodgkin's disease. Drug causing acanthosis nigraris is nicotinic acid. Target or iris lesions are seen in erythema multiforme. Causative agent of coracoid is Haemophilus dyseri. Important features of psoriasis is silver scales. Most important in diagnosis of leprosy is slit skin smear of acid-facet basil. As per WHO, minimum duration of treatment for leprosy is 12 months. Slit skin smear is negative in neurotic leprosy. Combs, dones are characteristic of Achan vulgaris. Most common cause of pemphigus in India is pemphigus vulgaris. Lesions of childhood atopic derma located in cubital and popliteal fossa. Side number of reduced except albinism, vitiligo, pubescence, hypopigmentation. Increased incidence of vitiligo is found in type 2 diabetic mellitus. In patch of vitiligo, melanocytes are absent. Vitiligo genetic predisposition PUVA best. Collateral and topical steroids. Severe itching over webs of fingers is at night. Brows, scabies. Molluscum contagiosum is caused by virus. Fungus affecting hair is Triphyton microsporum. Apple jelly nodules are seen in Lupus vulgaris. Scabies, oral drug, ivermectin. Chiroin is a form of fungal infection. Most common cause of cellulitis is Streptococcus pyogenes. Flax sign in hair is characteristic of PEM. H. uderici causes soft chancre. Mycosis fungoides is a T-cell lymphoma. Alopecia areata is spontaneous recovery will occur within 3 to 6 months in major patients. Cradle cap in babies is seborrheic dermatitis. Leprosy will affect all organs except uterus. Pharynx testis is diagnostic of lipogranuloma venereum, which is known as Kiff's spots, Leishmania. Causative organism for common warts is human papilloma virus. Acanthosis nigricans is most common due to carcinoma of colon. Most specific test for syphilis is FTA-ABS. Photochemotherapy is useful for psoriasis. Skin condition treated with PUVA therapy is psoriasis. Munas microabscess are seen in psoriasis. Treatment of psoriasis is PUVA and methotrexate. Auspitz sign is found in psoriasis. Auspitz sign is seen in plague type psoriasis. Auspitz sign is characteristically seen in plague psoriasis. Recurrent painful orogenital ulcers with arthritis is due to Reiter's syndrome. Commonest cutaneous eruption in SLE is erythema of light exposed area. Pitting of nails can be seen in alopecia areata. Young female complaints of genital warts with the agent implicated is human papilloma virus. Commonest venereal disease in India is gonorrhea. Tains vesicularis is caused by Malassezia purpura. Heliotrope rash is seen on face in dermatomyositis. Lesions of Pityriasis rosa are disturbed mostly on trunk. PUVA therapy is used for psoriasis, vitiligo, atopic dermatitis. 5 years male with hypopigmented scaly macule on cheeks. Some of his classmates also had probable diagnosis pityriasis alba. 10-year-old child, hypopigmented multiple scaly patch face, diagnosis is pityriasis alba. 3-year-old child, enzymatous dermatitis on extended surfaces, mother, bronchial asthma, atopic dermatitis. Mouth lesions are seen in lichen planus. Nail changes in psoriasis is ankylosis, pitting, subungual hyperkeratitis. Brown in scabies in stratum corneum. Itch in disease is true for atopic dermatitis. Drug producing erythema nodosum is sulfonamides.